We are on our way to save the princess and we are already in the castle. But it looks like this old man here needs some help. I have 9 rocks here, all with different shapes, and 8 of them are a special magical rock, and all have the same weight. But the last one is a fake, and it's a little bit heavier. It's mixed in with the others, and the only way to tell the difference is by using this old scale, which can only be used for 2 more times. So, how do we solve this problem? Pause now to think about it. Let's see what will happen if we first compare these rocks. If one of them is heavier than the other, then the heavy one is the fake. If they have the same weight, then we know it's not one of these two. Now we try these 2 rocks, and the heavy one is the fake one. But if they also have the same weight, then we used up all of our uses on the scale, and we still did not find the fake rock. So what should we do? Well, let's first try an easier version of the same problem. Let's say if there are only 3 rocks, one of them is heavier, and we only have 1 use on the scale. Then what do? Well, we can put 1 rock on each side, and we can get 3 different results. The left one is heavier, the right side is heavier, or they have the same weight. But what does this mean? Since one of the rock has to be heavier, the last rock must be fake. So how do we use what we just find to help us solve this problem? Well, since we don't have to only put 1 rock on each side at a time, what we can do is group these 9 rocks like this. If we compare a group to another, then the group with the fake rock is going to make the entire group heavier. Then we can pretend as if this was 2 easier versions of this problem. Here's how we'll use our 2 uses on the scale. In the first use, we find the heaviest group of rocks from the 3 groups of rocks. In the second use, we find the heaviest rock from the heaviest group of rocks. And that's it. Let's see if it works. We first compare these 3 rocks with these 3 rocks. And the scale says this side is heavier. Then we take 2 rocks from this group and compare them with each other. The scale says they have the same weight, so the fake rock must be this remaining rock. So it looks like we tried to solve an easier version of the same problem to help us solve this hard problem. That's the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next video.